Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out my headlights on my Nissan Xterra and see how they've done over the past several months after being restored. But first, we got to wash. Alright, just got finished with the wash. I pulled the truck into the garage, so let's check out the headlights and see how they look. Now, I will say on camera, these things look pretty clear. They don't show any of the little defects. There are some minor scratches, minor abrasions that I put in from the sanding that I was unable to get out with the buffing. But for the most part, I still think they look as good as they did the day I restored them. We'll go ahead and take a look over here on this one. So somewhere in this video I'll put what they look like before and then you can compare to what they look like now. I think you will also agree that they look a lot better now and they've held up well for the past 3 months. Also at the end of the video I'll have a link to where I restored the headlights and you can kind of see the process of what I went through as a novice, just trying to get my headlights a little bit cleaner and to make them just work a little bit more efficiently and have a brighter light at night. So if you like these videos or the how-to videos, I'm trying to do more things myself. I do have some coming up. I'm going to be doing a brake job on this, so I'm going to record all that and show you how it's done. I've already changed my differentials, but I will give the backstory for why I changed my differential fluid. And I'll probably do a video and just change them again just to show you how to do it, and it's pretty easy and very cost effective. Really takes no time at all, that I found out. But like I said, tons of projects coming up with this Xterra. If you like project vehicles and you want to see something go from stock and transform into a true off-roader over the next year, that's kind of my plan with this, and it's going to be my little pet project. As always, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.